Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Last couple of weeks, the markets have been really slow, and I expect the choppiness to continue. But I'm hopeful that market would give us some good opportunities. So if you're new to my channel and if you appreciate the content and what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, both triple Q and SPY gapping down, giving me a bearish sentiment on the day. Going into market open, I'll be watching Nvidia, Amazon, and Tesla. All three of them are currently trading below yesterday's closing price, giving me a bearish sentiment, but I'll wait for confirmation. I want them to break the current pre-market low and continue lower. Only then I'll be interested on the put side. On the call side, I don't think I have any setups as of now, so I'll be inclined to go puts on these stocks. Apart from these three stocks, I'm also watching Upstart Holdings, ticker UPST. The stock was gapping up yesterday following a good earnings report, and I expect the trend to continue today. So I'll be watching the current high, and if Upstart wants to break the current high and continue higher, I'll be interested in buying some calls on ticker Upstart. So that's the plan going into market open. We do have around 30 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Nvidia 251 is going to act as a level of support. If it breaks below 251, then I'll be interested to the put side, but I'll wait for confirmation. This can be a fake breakdown. Watching Amazon. I have two levels. Can be a risky trade, but I'm ready to take it. Placing an order at 810. Cancelling. I'll move it to 780. Yep, I'm in. I'll be quick to get out. My next ad would be around 3173. Selling at 895. Yep, I'm out. That was a risky trade, but I had to take my chances and it rewarded me well. In this market, making $574 in 9 minutes, I'll be so happy to take it. I was not looking to scale out because on Amazon, we have a huge spread and sometimes you may get stuck on the trade. So went in with 5 contracts at 780 and got out of the whole position at 895. Now I'll keep watching for a second trade. If not, I'll call it a day. I want a quick flush, only then I'll be interested. So my earlier trade, this was a quick flush. I was literally in the trade for a few seconds, 9:38, 9:39, maybe nearly 1 minute and 8 seconds. That was the duration of the trade. So any trade in this kind of market, I'm looking for quick scalps. I don't want to hold on to my position. Look at Nvidia. How many times it has tried to break the 250 wall here. If it breaks down, then I think we'll have some put setups. Looks like it's going down now. Yep, triple Q falling. I'll focus on Tesla because it's less spready. 900 strike price, put contract. I'll be interested in Tesla only if it breaks the current low of 908. It broke. This can be a reversal. So I clearly want Tesla to close below this line. Only then I'm interested. Yeah, I like it now. Waiting. Placed an order at 1035. I got it. This time I went in with 3 contracts only. Next ad would be around 912. Giving it some time. I definitely want more than 3 contracts. Selling 3 at 1050. Got out. I did not like how it was slowing down. I can start the process over if it wants to come back to 912 area. was waiting and now it's going. That's fine. Now I'll keep watching for a third trade. Looks like we have some action today. Tesla actually trying to make a comeback. I prefer this level 914 now. I'll take this level only if Tesla wants to make a quick bounce. I don't like slow grinding. Failing again over here. I think this is consolidating for a breakout. That's what I'm feeling. All right. I've been sitting on the sidelines for a while now, and looks like the markets have really slowed down. Tesla did make some good moves today. I'm so happy to see that finally. But I was not able to capitalize on the move. I just got one trade with 3 contracts and 20-cent profit. I think I made $60 on that trade. Not a huge trade, but I'm happy to see some action back in the market. Hopefully we get more action in the coming weeks. That being said, 2 trades on the day, 2 winners, making a total of $638 in around 1 hour of trading. I'll be completely happy with it. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basis and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.